Requested to switch off your mobile phones and maintain silence during the entire proceeding of the convocation. ভট্টদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ প্ৰথম দীক্ষান্ত সমাৰোহ 2025লৈ আমি আপোনালোক আটাইকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আৰু কিছু সময় পিছতে মহামহিম ৰাজ্যপাল ডাঙৰীয়া আহি আমাৰ মাজত উপস্থিত হ'ব আৰু তেতিয়াই লগে লগে আৰম্ভ হ'ব আজিৰ বিশেষ দীক্ষান্ত সমাৰোহৰ অনুষ্ঠান। সকলোকে আমি অনুৰোধ জনাবলৈ বিচাৰিছোঁ গোটেই অনুষ্ঠানটোৰ সময়ছোৱাত আপোনালোকে নিজৰ ফোনসমূহ সাইলেণ্ট মোড অথবা সুইচ অফ কৰি ৰাখিব। আৰু এটি বিশেষ ঘোষণা, এই দীক্ষান্ত সমাৰোহত কোনো ধৰণৰ যাতে হাত চাপৰি
श्रीमान 28 एबीवीएन सम्मान गार्ड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। सम्मान गार्ड विसर्जन।
भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे। ओरा पुनर्दे ओ मुर्सी कुनी दे, एने খন হুৱলা, এনে খন হুফলা, এনে খন মৰমৰ দেশ। ও মোৰ হুৰিয়ামান, অসমৰ সুৱদিমা, পৃথিৱীৰ ক'তো বিচাৰি জনমটো নোপোৱা কৰিলেও পায়। ও মোৰ উপজাঠাই, ও মোৰ অসমীয়াই, চাই ল তোমাৰ মুখনি এবাৰ, হেঁপাহ মোৰ পলোৱা নাই। এয়া ভট্টদেৱে অনা পোহৰ, উজ্জ্বলে প্ৰান্তত, পূৰ্বৰ আমাৰ দেশ, তাৰে সেউজ সীমান্ত। বহুমাৰা কাল দিয়া ৰূপোৱালী নৈ, ইয়াতে বয় অক্লান্ত। লোককৃষ্টিৰ যেন ৰঙীন মেলা, নাই 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 আদি অন্ত। এহে তাতেই জ্ঞানৰ আমি জুই কাঠি জ্বলাও, পোহৰৰ জোৰ লৈ আকাশ তিয়াও। তাতেই জ্ঞানৰ আমি জুই কাঠি জ্বলাও, পোহৰৰ জোৰ লৈ আকাশ তিয়াও। আজি পুনো পোহৰৰ জয়, ইয়াতেই আজি পুনো পোহৰৰ জয়। এয়া ভট্টদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়, এয়া নিৰৱচ্ছিন্ন পোহৰৰ ৰং। বিজ্ঞান প্ৰযুক্তিয়ে তুলি ধৰিব জীৱন, সাহিত্য দৰ্শন ইতিহাস হ'ব হীৰাপুৰ। সেউজ বহিষ্ণু চিন্তা সৃষ্টি কৰিল মাপুৰ, ইয়াতেই হ'ব আজি পোহৰৰ জয়। এয়া ভট্টদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়। উদ্ভাৱনৰ যেন উদযাপন, সেয়াই আমাৰ আমৰণ পণ, আমৰণ পণ। গৰীব মানুহ আমি ৰাজহাড় পোন, সমূহৰ বাবে যি জীৱন উচৰ্গাত জুয়ে পুৰহো। ইয়াতেই আজি পুনো পোহৰৰ জয়। এয়া ভট্টদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়।
Chancellor to declare the opening of the first convocation of Bhattadev University.
I declare the first convocation of Bhattadev University open.
I request Honorable Vice Chancellor to present the welcome speech and report.
Honorable
Governor of Assam and Chancellor of Bhattadev University, Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, highly regarded special guest of the convocation, former Vice Chancellor, Guwahati University, and former Pro Vice Chancellor, Tezpur University, Professor Amarjyoti Chaudhary sir, esteemed guest of honor of the occasion, Cabinet Minister, Panchayat and Rural Development, Judicial, Tourism and General Administration of Govt of Assam, Sri Ranjit Kumar Das Dangoria, respected member of the Legislative Assembly, Bhawanipur LIC, Govt of Assam, Sri Ponidhar Talukdar Dangoria, distinguished members of the University Court, Executive Council and the Academic Council, Deans, Registrar, Finance Officer, Controller of Examination, Heads of the Department, respected faculty members, invited guests, and all office staff of the university, friends from the media, and my dear beloved graduating students and audience. A very warm welcome to all of you on this momentous occasion, the first convocation of our newly established university. It is with immense pride and joy that we gathered here today to celebrate not just an academic achievement, but the realization of a dream that has been long cherished by the people of this region. As we stand at this threshold of this historic event, we witness the culmination of years of hard work, determination, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Today, our graduates are not just recipients of their degrees. They are the torch bearers of a brighter future, equipped with the knowledge and skills to contribute to society in meaningful ways. This university, born from the legacy of the revered Bajali College, is a testimony to the vision and hard work of our countless individuals who believed in the power of education to transform lives. It is also a tribute to the toil and sacrifice of the local community whose support made this journey possible. Bajali College, with a glorious history spanning over 6 decades, was widely recognized as one of the state's most prominent educational institutions. The university was established through the upgrade of Bajali College by the Bhattadev University Act 2017, which received the Honorable Governor of Assam's assent on October 16, 2017. It is important to note that the university is named after Vaikuntanath Bhagavat Bhattacharya, popularly known as Bhattadev, who is revered as the father of the Assamese prose. Bhattadev's profound knowledge of Sanskrit grammar and literature, along with his mastery of the Srimanta Shankardev Purana, earned him the title of Bhagavat Bhattacharya. Since its establishment on June 24, 2019, after joining the first Vice Chancellor, Professor Birinchi Kumar Das, Bhattadev University has rapidly grown in both stature and academic offerings. Thanks to the guidance of our distinguished faculty, staff, and most importantly, our dedicated students. In this regard, I would like to pay my tribute to the founding principal of Bajali College, the late Kameshwar Das, whose visionary effort led to the establishment of Bajali College in 1955. His dream of creating a higher education institution in the greater Bajali region has now been fulfilled, and as the college has grown into a full-fledged university today. Today, a total of 1,920 awardees, including 2 PhDs, 496 postgraduates, and 1,422 undergraduate students will receive their degrees. Among them, 66 awardees will also be honored with gold medal for their exceptional performance. Additionally, a PhD degree honorary causa will be conferred upon the renowned theatre, art, and cultural icons of the greater Bajali area, the esteemed Sri Krishna Roy ji. Now, let me give an overview of the university. Our university has successfully completed 5 years of its journey and continues to strive for excellence in the year ahead. Currently, we offer a wide range of academic program across 19 departments. Of these, 17 departments offer PhD program, 13 offer postgraduate program, and all departments offer the 4-year undergraduate program under National Education Policy 2022, including 3 integrated programs. The university's total student strength at present is 3,027 with a gender ratio of 37% male and 67% female. The student demographic are diverse with a 60% from the unreserved category, 9.36% from the SC category, 6.23% from the ST Plains category, 0.14% from the ST Hills category, and 23.9% from the OBC, MOBC category. In addition, 18 colleges located in the Greater Borpeta and Bozali district of Assam were affiliated with our university recently, with a student population of approximately 15,000. As the affiliating university, we are responsible for maintaining the standard of all their academic activities, including the conduct of examination, evaluation, and result processing. Bhattadev University has expanded its academic offerings, launching its PhD program in 2021 and awarding degree to 2 scholars in 2025. It is a proud moment for all of us as they received their PhD degree today along with other awardees. In 2023-24, our university introduced postgraduate program in several fields and new postgraduate and undergraduate program including in computer science and engineering and sociology were added in 2024 and 25. The university also launched a 5-year integrated MCOM program and MSc program in botany and statistics recently, while offering a BA 4-year honors program in mass communication journalism under NEP 2020. Bhattadev University, a newly established institution focused on fostering both cognitive and employable skills. Implementing NEP 2020, its curriculum integrated skill development, values, and knowledge, including elements of Indian knowledge system. It also offers student practical experience through internships. Bhattadev University's NCC units, with a legacy dating back to 1963 to 1965, and hosting the 7 Assam Battalion and 60 Assam Girls Battalion, nurture future leaders. Our cadets have excelled nationally with participation in the Republic Day Parade, PM Rally, NER Car Rally, and IMA Attachment Camp. We remain contribute to upholding NEC excellence reflected in our active involvement in prestigious events like the Thal Sonic Camp. The NSS cell of Bhattadev University is committed to community service, notably through its adoption of Dadhora village on the Indo-Bhutan border. Volunteers conduct awareness program, cleanliness drive, tree plantation, and cultural actions along with the surveys on the village's social and economic landscape. They engage in campus and communities activities, celebrate NSS Day and Indian Constitution Day, and raise awareness through street play on women's safety. Recently, the university's volunteers represented Northeast India at the NSS National Integration Camp 2025 held in Bangalore, where a student of the university bagged the first prize in the debate competition. Bhattadev University organized its annual sports and cultural meets in the last February, allowing students to showcase their talent beyond academics. In 2025, the university became a member of the Association of Indian University, and for the first time, our university students were able to participate in a zonal level competition at Tarang Utsav, AIU North-East Zone Inter-University Youth Festival at ICFAI University Tripura. Students of Bhattadev University have excelled academically with several qualifying in national level exams like JAM, GATE, NET, and Assam Service Examination. Notably, a few students have also qualified for Geno Research Fellowships while still pursuing their postgraduate program in Bhattadev University. Despite being a young institution, Bhattadev University has made remarkable progress in research and development. The university has secured several sponsored research projects from the prestigious national agencies like the DST, Indian National Academy, Department of Biotechnology, ESTEC. With 4 ongoing sponsored research projects and 1 DBT institutional hub, the university has cultivated a vibrant research environment for both faculty and students. Several faculty members have published their research in reputed peer-reviewed journals, including UGC Care, Scopus, and Web of Science listed journal. In recognition of their contribution, several faculty members have received prestigious awards. To mention few, Dr. Debajit Datta, Assistant Professor in Physics, was honored by Elsevier as the highly valued guest editor for October 2024. Dr. Gautam Kolita, Professor of Mathematics, was awarded the Professor Jyoti Prasad Medi Award in Mathematical Sciences 2024 for his outstanding research in number theory and algebra. Dr. Kaushik Talukdar and Dr. Rupjyoti Gogoi, Assistant Professor of the Chemistry and Botany, respectively, received the esteemed INSA Visiting Scientist Fellowship 2024. Dr. Jagannath Bhuya was recognized as the top downloaded author of the 2024 by Chemistry Europe for his paper in Chemistry Select. The university hopes that more faculty members will undertake research projects in their respective field in near future. Though Bhattadev University is still in its budding state, it has set for itself numerous goals to achieve in the coming years. The university is going to open a center for Indian knowledge system to give a thrust to the research activity on ancient Indian knowledge that can be a treasure trove for researchers across the various fields. Bhattadev University is committed to offering the best opportunity for both students and teachers. It has signed MOUs with several institutions, including Bodoland University, Assam Downtown University, CPET, Nectar, NAILIT, Pollution Control Board of Assam, to enhance collaboration in training, research exchange, research, and other activities. While making significant progress towards becoming one of the best universities in the country, the university is determined to maintain its unique identity. The construction of our new campus at Medikisi, located near 5 kilometers from the current campus, is nearing completion. The construction agency is expected to hand over the campus within 1 to 2 months. We are hopeful that we will be able to begin our program at the new campus in the next academic session. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our visionary and dynamic leader, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, for taking all possible steps to complete the ongoing work at Medikisi very promptly. I am delighted to announce that the university has been awarded a funding of rupees 20 crores through PM USA program. This significant funding will be instrumental in development of the new infrastructure and cutting-edge research facility, thereby enhancing the university's academic activities. The entire university community expressed its sincere gratitude to the Higher Education Department, Government of Assam, and the Ministry of Education, Government of India for this valuable opportunity and recognition. Dear graduating students, you are the first group of students to be awarded degrees in this first convocation of the university. And you carry the hopes and dreams of many who came before you. As you embark on your careers, continue your education and make meaningful contribution to society. Remember that you are the torch bearers of this institution legacy. Your success will be the university's success, and your achievement will continue to inspire future generation of the students. I extend my heartiest congratulations to each one of you. We are incredibly proud of all that you have accomplished. I also express my sincere gratitude to our families for their support and encouragement. This day belongs to you, all of you. As you leave this university and enter the outside world, may you always remain courageous and committed to the values that have shaped you. Go forward with confidence and leave your mark on the world. Thank you, and once again, congratulations. Jai Hind, Jai Assam, Jai to Bhattadev University. Thank you. Now, I request Honorable Chancellor kindly to allow us to confer the degree of Bhattadev University.
The candidates who have been examined and found to be worthy of degrees by the university authorities be now presented.
I request Honorable Chancellor to confer upon Krishna Roy, the Doctor of Philosophy honorary causa, for his outstanding service to the society.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Bhattadev University, I confer Krishna Rai, Doctor Degree, Honorable Causa.
Now, I request Honorable Chancellor kindly to award of degrees.
I urge upon the Dean and Associate Dean of the faculties to present the candidates of the departments for award of the degrees.
Will the candidates for PhD degree in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences kindly to rise in their seats? Will the candidates for PhD degrees in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences kindly to rise in their seats? Sir, I present you Hiren Das and Musumi Dotto Khatoniar, who have been found fit for the award of the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in Assamese under the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, and pray that they be admitted.
Admitted as prayed.
Candidates for PhD degree will now come to the dais one by one to receive their degree from the Chancellor. Will the candidates for Master of Arts in Assamese and Geography in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences kindly to rise in their seats? Sir, I present you these candidates, and including those in absentia who have been found fit for the award of degrees of Master of Arts in Assamese and Geography, and pray that they be admitted. Department of Assamese, Postgraduate Batch 2019, Department of Assamese, Postgraduate Batch 2020, Department of Assamese, Postgraduate Batch 2021, Department of Assamese, Postgraduate Batch 2022, Department of Geography, Postgraduate Batch 2019, Department of Geography, Postgraduate Batch 2020, Department of Geography, Postgraduate Batch 2021, Department of Geography, Postgraduate Batch 2022.
Admitted as prayed.
Will the candidates for Bachelor of Arts in Assamese, Economics, Education, English, Philosophy, History, Mass Communication and Journalism, Philosophy, Political Science, Sanskrit, and Bachelor of Commerce in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences kindly to rise in their seats? Sir, I present you these candidates and including those in absentia who have been found fit for the award of degrees of Bachelor of Arts in Assamese, Economics, Education, English, Geography, History, Mass Communication and Journalism, Philosophy, Political Science, Sanskrit, and Bachelor of Commerce, and pray that they be admitted. Department of Assamese, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Assamese, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Assamese, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Department of Commerce, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Economics, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Economics, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Economics, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Department of Education, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Education, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Education, Undergraduate Batch 2021. Department of English, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of English, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of English, Undergraduate Batch 2021. Department of Geography, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Geography, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Geography, Undergraduate Batch 2021. Department of History, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of History, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of History, Undergraduate Batch 2021. Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Undergraduate Batch 2021. Department of Philosophy, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Philosophy, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Philosophy, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Department of Political Science, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Political Science, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Political Science, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Department of Sanskrit, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Sanskrit, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Sanskrit, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Bachelor of Arts, Regular, Undergraduate Batch 2019.
Admitted as prayed.
Will the candidates for degrees of Master of Science in Mathematics, Physics, and Zoology under the Faculty of Natural and Mathematical Sciences kindly rise in their seats? Sir, I present to you these candidates and including those in absentia who have been found fit for the award of the degrees of Master of Science in Mathematics, Physics, and Zoology and pray that they be admitted. Department of Mathematics, Postgraduate Batch 2019, Department of Mathematics, Postgraduate Batch 2020, Department of Mathematics, Postgraduate Batch 2021, Department of Mathematics, Postgraduate Batch 2022, Department of Physics, Postgraduate Batch 2019, Department of Physics, Postgraduate Batch 2020, Department of Physics, Postgraduate Batch 2021, Department of Physics, Postgraduate Batch 2022, Department of Zoology, Postgraduate Batch 2019, Department of Zoology, Postgraduate Batch 2020, Department of Zoology, Postgraduate Batch 2021, Department of Zoology, Postgraduate Batch 2022.
Admitted as prayed.
Will the candidates for degrees of Bachelor of Science in Botany, Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics, and Zoology under the Faculty of Natural and Mathematical Sciences kindly to rise in their seats? Sir, I present to you these candidates and including those in absentia who have been found fit for the award of the degrees of Bachelor of Science in Botany, Chemistry, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics, and Zoology and pray that they be admitted. Department of Botany, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Botany, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Botany, Undergraduate Batch 2021, Department of Chemistry, Undergraduate Batch 2019, Department of Chemistry, Undergraduate Batch 2020, Department of Chemistry, undergraduate batch 2021. Department of Mathematics, undergraduate batch 2019. Department of Mathematics, undergraduate batch 2020. Department of Mathematics, undergraduate batch 2021. Department of Physics, undergraduate batch 2019. Department of Physics, undergraduate batch 2020. Department of Physics, undergraduate batch 2021. Department of Statistics, undergraduate batch 2019. Department of Statistics, undergraduate batch 2020. Department of Statistics, undergraduate batch 2021. Department of Zoology, undergraduate batch 2019. Department of Zoology, undergraduate batch 2020. Department of Zoology, undergraduate batch 2021. Bachelor of Science, regular, undergraduate batch 2019.
Admitted as prayed.
The gold medal awardees will come to the dais one by one to receive their medals. I request Honorable Chancellor to award the gold medal for the postgraduate batch of 2019, 20, 21 and 22. Gold medalist, postgraduate batch 2019. Postgraduate batch 2019, Bornali Talukdar, Assamese. Tonmoy Deka, Geography. Tonmoy Deka, Geography. Shahnawaz Ali, Physics. Korobi Bormon, Zoology. Now, postgraduate batch of 2020, Kakoli Sandilla, Geography. Jamin Sajid Iqbal, Mathematics. Farooq Alam, Physics. Farooq Alam, Physics. Shreyas Shreyasi Bormon, Zoology. And now postgraduate 2021 batch. Nilkamal Nath, Assamese. Beauty Talukdar, Geography. Bijit Chandra Kakoti, Mathematics. Krishna Saha, Physics. Farhana Jahan, Zoology. Now postgraduate batch of 2022, Pradeep Kumar Deka, Assamese. Pradeep Kumar Deka. Favana Kashyap, Geography. Borosharani Das, Mathematics. Abhishekar Guha, Physics. And Rishikesh Kolita, Zoology. I thank Honorable Governor Sir for distributing the prizes, gold medals for PG batches. Now, I request Honorable Special Guest, Professor Amarjyoti Choudhury, to award the gold medals for the undergraduate batch of 2019. Dikshita Choudhury. Dikshita Choudhury, Botany. Kulodip Sil, Chemistry. Debodurlov Ujir, Economics. Borokha Bormon, English. Bornali Das, Geography. Mayuri Sharma, History. Borsarani Das, Mathematics. Junmoni Soronia, Political Science. Jeuti Pathak, Sanskrit. Riman Das, Statistics. And Rishikesh Kalita, Zoology. Thank you, Professor Chaudhuri, sir. I request the guest of honor, Mr. Ranjit Kumar Das, to award the gold medals for the undergraduate batch of 2020. Madhusmita Das, Assamese. Chandasmita S.N. Das, Botany. Samar Chaudhuri, Chemistry. Susmita Sharma, Economics. Niharika Sharma, Education. Himankar Das, English. Jupitera Boisya, History. Ridip Das, Mathematics. Diksha Sharma, Mass Communication and Journalism. Liza Talukdar, Philosophy. Kangan Talukdar, Physics. Simanta Roy, Political Science. Nilakshi Burman, Sanskrit. Sagar Dev Chaudhuri, Statistics. And Avijit Das, Zoology. Avijit Das, Zoology. Thank you, Das sir. Now I request our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dhanapati Deka, to award the gold medals for the undergraduate batch of 2021. Jinima Chaudhuri, Assamese. Riyasmita Das, Botany. Rituparna Datta, Chemistry. Anusmita Patwari, Economics. Biva Padgiri, Education. Jumi Talukdar, English. Gitar Thomedhi, Geography. Susmita Roy, History. Deepika Mondal, Mass Communication and Journalism. Himashri Talukdar, Philosophy. Mousumi Talukdar, Political Science. And Litima Lohkar, Sanskrit. Thank you, Deka sir.
I urge upon the candidate receiving the degrees of Bhattadev University to rise in their seats.
I charge you to take oath that you will henceforth behave in manner that you will prove worthy of the degree conferred on you.
I, Shreyasi Burman, do solemnly and sincerely declare that In my daily life, I shall conduct myself in a manner that I prove worthy of the degree conferred on me today by Bhattadev University.
I now invite the guest of honor of the convocation, Sri Ranjit Kumar Das, to deliver his speech.
Namaskar. Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Chancellor of Bhattadev University and Governor of Assam, Mananiya Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, Professor Amarjyoti Chaudhary, former Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University and former Pro-Vice Chancellor of Tezpur University, Professor Dhanpati Deka, Vice Chancellor of Bhattadev University, Sri Phoyendra Talukdar, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Bhavanipur LAC, distinguished all the members of the University Court, all the members of the Executive Council and Academic Council, Registrar of Bhattadev University, officers, head of the departments, all faculty and staff members, guests, friends from the media and their graduating students. I stand before you today with immense pride and gratitude as we are gathered to celebrate the first convocation of Bhattadev University, a momentous occasion in the life of this institution and the greater Bajali region. Today mark not just the graduation of our students, but also the fulfillment of a long dream for the transmission of Bajali College into the Bhattadev University. It is truly a privilege to be part of this historic journey. When we first envisioned the idea of upgrading Bajali College, an institution with a rich legacy of our 6 decades, to a full-fledged university, the goal was always to provide our students with the opportunity and the resource they deserve. The aim was to ensure that the youth of this region would no longer have to leave their homes to pursue higher education, and they would have access to world-class facilities and the academic programs right here at University, Bhattadev University. I am deeply honored to have played a part of this remarkable transformation. The elevation of Bajali College to Bhattadev University was just not an administrative decision. It was a promise of the people of Bajali and the surrounding areas that we have created an educational institution that would serve as a beacon of knowledge, progress, and innovation. Through this initiative, we aim to honor the legacy of Mahapurush Bhattadev, whose contribution to Assamese literature and culture continue in inspire generation. Mahapurush Bhattadev, one of the greatest Vaishnavite saints, is acknowledged as the father of the Assamese prose. His style of prose has an influence in this development of high dignified genre. So the nomenclature given to this university after the name of the Mahapurush Bhattadev itself is a testament to the immense influence of the literacy and spiritual gain on us. I hope the university will flourish as a hub of learning, research, innovation, and be a beacon of hope, aspiration, and intellectual pursuits for the young generation spreading across the all geographical territories. This vision could have come to life without the collective effort and determination of many individuals and organizations. However, I must acknowledge the unwavering commitment and the hard work of the entire community, particularly the leadership of the university, the faculty, and the local residents who have supported us at every step to fulfill that dream. I am proud to say that Bhattacharya University is living up to its promise. The university has already introduced several new academic programs in diverse fields like chemistry, commerce, economics, political science, and English, aligned with the National Education Policy 2020. We have been, our students excel in the national competition, achieve remarkable academic milestones, and secure prestigious fellowship. The fact that two research scholars from the Department of Assamese have already been awarded their PhD degrees reflect the university's growing reputation in the economic world. Furthermore, the establishment of new departments like computer science and engineering and sociology are testaments for our commitment to economic excellence and the preservation of our rich heritage. The construction work of new campus of Bhattacharya University is already underway, and we are hopeful that this new campus will provide even more opportunities to growth, research, and development. It is our goal to ensure that Bhattacharya University stand as a symbol of educational empowerment in the region and beyond. None of this progress would have been possible without the support of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, and all of you present here today. The vision of the university in Bojali have been realized because of the combined effort of local leaders, academic stakeholders, and the community at large. As we move forward, I assure you that the Bhattacharya University will continue to work towards shaping further of our students. We will strive to create an environment that fosters critical thinking, innovation, and social responsibility. The road ahead is existing, and the university is committed to reaching new heights. I would like to conclude congratulating Dr. Krishna Roy and all the graduates who are receiving their degrees today. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have brought you to this significant milestone. I am confident that you will carry the values and the knowledge instilled in you at Bhattacharya University into the world, making a positive impact wherever you go. মই এইখিনিতে এই ভট্টদেৱ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ যি পূৰ্বৰ নাম বজালী মহাবিদ্যালয় আৰু এই বজালী মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ লগত ওতঃপ্ৰোতভাৱে জড়িত থকা আমাৰ জননেতা আমাৰ কামেশ্বৰ দাসকে আদি কৰি যিসকল প্ৰতিষ্ঠাপক অধ্যক্ষ অধ্যাপক জড়িত হৈ আছিলে তেওঁলোকলৈ মই আন্তৰিক শ্ৰদ্ধা, যিসকলে আমাৰ মাজত নাই তেওঁলোকলৈ মই শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাইছোঁ, আৰু যিসকলে আমাৰ মাজত আছে তেওঁলোককো মই শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাই মই মোৰ বক্তব্য ইয়াতে শেষ কৰিছোঁ। আৰু সকলোকে পুনৰবাৰ ধন্যবাদ জনোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ মহামহিম ৰাজ্যপাল ডাঙৰীয়াকো মই আন্তৰিক ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
I now invite the special guest of the convocation, Professor Amarjyoti Choudhury, to deliver his convocation address.
চিৰচেনেহী মোৰ ভাষা জননীক বন্দনা জনাই মই এতিয়া বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ৰ নিৰ্দেশ ক্ৰমে মোৰ বক্তব্য ইংৰাজীত ক'বলৈ লৈছোঁ। Esteemed Chancellor, Bhattacharya University, and Governor of Assam, Shri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, Shri Ranjit Kumar Das, respected Cabinet Minister, Government of Assam, Shri Fanidhar Talukdar, Member Assam Legislative Assembly, Bhavanipur, LSC, esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Dhanapati Deka, distinguished members of the University Court, Executive Council, Academic Council, Registrar, Deans, heads of the departments, esteemed faculty and staff, invited guests, members of the media, Shrijut Krishna Roy ji, and my dear graduating students and their proud parents. We are here in an enchanted land, a green stretch of land nurtured by Chaldia and Pohumara rivers, a land lighted up by the writings of the great Bhattadev, illuminated by his magnum opuses like Katha Bhagavat and Katha Gita, based on Bhagavat, opuses that captured his single-minded pursuit of self-realization. Friends, we realize Pathsala, this colorful township, dabbles in questions of life and death in its magnificent theaters, both mobile and stationary. As for the state of Assam, it mixes myriads of tribes and sub-tribes and prompts us to tread on the path of harmony. And finally, the idea that is India seeks answers to our existential questions. Nasadiya Sukta, the Sukta in our Rig Veda, for example, provocatively asks, did someone make this universe? This was the question raised. Did it emerge spontaneously? Is there a God who knows what really happened? Then it skeptically murmurs, who really knows? So inquisitive and argumentative were our ancestors. These extraordinary people set up Takshila, one of the ancient universities of the world. That was way back in the 5th century BC. And Nalanda University in 5th century AD. We all know Takshila University excelled in practical training and well-stocked laboratories, and Nalanda thrived through interdisciplinary studies and through presence of large numbers of foreign scholars. My dear graduating friends, congratulations that you have made your way to a university set up in this exceptional land, a land that has produced the likes of Kalidasa and Tansen, Rabindranath Tagore and Lakshmanath Bejbarua, C.V. Raman and Satyendranath Basu, Homi Jehangir Baba and Ghargobind Khurana, Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. Look, out of every 100 Indians, only 9 make it to the portals of higher education. So you are very lucky, you are very fortunate ones. More importantly, you had the mentorship of this university that has carried the proud legacy of the erstwhile Bajali College, the college that made entire Assam proud. This university is brimming with academic enthusiasm. You are also fortunate that you are making history. You have been awarded degrees, diplomas, certificates in the first convocation of the university. You are fortunate on more occasions. You are the witness to the emergence of lots of new ideas and technologies. Some of the significant milestones are quantum computing, artificial general intelligence, network sciences, synthetic biology, personalized medicine, green hydrogen production, lithium-ion batteries, digital humanities, environmental humanities, global studies, critical race theories, computational social sciences, neuroeconomics, sustainable businesses, digital marketing, financial technology, and the list is never ending. Clearly, this is an exciting period to breed in a university. Indeed, look at your fortune. You are in a university that is upbeat. Its teachings has dedication, its curriculum is bright, with interdisciplinary ideas of NEP. Its research has both depth and focus. The research contributions are also steadily on the rise. Besides, it has already reached out to the society around. Significantly, the outreach programs are beginning to show results. Indeed, the university is agog. It wholeheartedly aims to produce in our midst the societal icons like Michelangelo and Jyoti Prasad, Kalidasa and Shakespeare, Rabindranath and Neruda, Einstein and Eisenstein, Marquis and Rushdie, Milkha Singh and Dhyan Chand, Mozart and Rahman, Bradman and Tendulkar, Gandhi, Martin Luther King, and Mother Teresa. How do you feel as you stand amidst a plethora of expectations on both you and the university? For you, today must be a day of gratitude. Gratitude to the teaching community who have made it possible. Gratitude to the members of your family who have stood by you through thick and thin. Gratitude to your own self that you could achieve it gracefully. Today is indeed predominantly your day. You have earned your degrees, diplomas, and certificates. With grit and determination, you have gracefully completed the courses. You deserve congratulations. You deserve to smile. And in convocations, I hope later on, formats will be built in where the students will be more able to smile and take pride in their degrees and diplomas. What is the roadmap? How do you prepare yourself for the achievement? I believe the following trinity would keep you in track as you go out in the open. These are continue your curiosity, research your resilience, and empire your empathy. You have already done a part of your curiosity. You are now to build on your resilience and on your empathy towards the people around. But what is the roadmap for such creativity? We realize that curriculum is important, very important. But we also realize that dedication to study and research is crucial. But that is not enough. We need sports and fitness. We also need songs, dances, debates, and plays. These are like rains that wash off dust from our souls. It will keep you focused with curiosity. Indeed, these are like boats that bring you to the richness of feelings of resilience, feelings for others. Let the university frame these very riches by close interactions. Once you are curious as a child, resilient like a pro, and full of empathy for the people around, the world around, it will light a fireplace that makes the bones of the finest human beings. Capable of contribution to rejuvenate the universe, here I recall the real-life story of a poor vegetable vendor who came forward to help a university when it was in dire need. In fact, inspirations are all around. The cold days are gone, the fogs have disappeared, the birds are on full-throated songs, the nature is glowing greener and greener now, sunshine is back, ushering truth and beauty all around. Spring is indeed here, and just like the spring, let the door be open for truth and beauty in your lives too. Let you compete with yourself, not with others. Let you compete with yourself just the way spring does. It never competes with others, it competes with itself. It's time improving on it. The heady mix that meaningfully connect us can bridge us to the neighborhood, to the state, to the nation, to the humanity, to the universe, to heal the nature. This is the utmost importance of the days, and especially for people like you, who have got the privilege of higher education. It is your duty to preserve the environment. by mixing traditions and modernity in knowledge and wisdom. Today is extraordinary because today is the celebration of that potential in you. Because today is the celebration of that wish, that expectations on you. I hope you will rise to the occasion. Jai Bhattadev University, Jai Ahom, Jai Hind, Jai Parivesha, Jai Manavata, Jai Vishwa Brahmanda. Thank you.
I now invite the Honorable Governor of Assam and Chancellor of the University, Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya ji, to deliver his address.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। के प्रथम दीक्षांत समारोह के अवसर पर मंच पर विराजमान असम सरकार के माननीय मंत्री श्री रंजीत कुमार दास जी, माननीय विधायक श्री फणीधर तालुकदार जी, गुवाहाटी विश्वविद्यालय के पूर्व कुलपति प्रोफेसर अमर ज्योति चौधरी जी, भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति प्रोफेसर धनपति डेका जी, सम्मानित अतिथिगण, विश्वविद्यालय न्यायालय कार्यकारी परिषद और शैक्षणिक परिषद के सम्मानित विशिष्ट सदस्यगण, विश्वविद्यालय के रजिस्ट्रार, डीन, विभागाध्यक्षगण, संकाय सदस्यगण, अधिकारीगण, मीडिया के मित्रों, मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, उपस्थित उनके अभिभावक, देवियों और सज्जनों, আজি भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय और प्रथम हमावर्तन हमरोहत उपस्थित होका प्रतिजन स्नातक मैं मोर अभिनंदन जनाइछु। मैं दीक्षांत समारोह के इस पावन अवसर पर सभी स्नातकों को बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। प्यारे बच्चों, कुछ कहूँ उसके पहले मैं इस बात के लिए सबको बधाई देता हूँ, अपने विभिन्न जिम्मेदारियों के तहत देश के प्रदेश के अनेक स्थानों पर जाने का अवसर बनता है। अनेक कार्यक्रमों में, दीक्षांत समारोहों में भी जाता रहता हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं कुछ अलग से अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। गर्मी कुछ ज़्यादा है, उमस भी है। जितने ठंडर लेने के लिए जितने पंखे या जितनी आवश्यकता थी उतने साधन कम पड़ जा रहे हैं। आपके हाथों में जो भी साधन है, चाहे कागज़ के टुकड़ा हो या जो कुछ भी है, उससे आप हवा दे करके, लेकिन इतने अनुशासन के साथ किस अपने समारोह को जो सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न करा रहे हैं, इसके लिए मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। अनुशासन व्यक्ति के जीवन का प्राण है। मैं सुनता था, अभी पहली बार बजाली आने का अवसर मिला, माननीय मंत्री जी के साथ बारपेटा में और क्षेत्र में जाने का मौका मिला था उनके कई कार्यक्रमों में, लेकिन मैंने सुना था कि बजाली शिक्षा के लिए विशेष रूप से उसकी पहचान होती है। वो जो पहचान है वो दिख रही है। आप प्रसन्न हो रहे होंगे कि अब ये लास्ट में राष्ट्रगान के बच्चे अब धीरे धीरे खड़े हो रहे हैं, कार्यक्रम समाप्त होने वाला होगा, स्वाभाविक है। लेकिन आज का ये विशेष अवसर आपके कठोर परिश्रम मेहनत के बाद अवसर आता है। मैं बधाई देता हूं आपको, शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं आपके माता पिता को, आपके अभिभावकों को, जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे विश्वविद्यालय का चयन किया और आपको यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए भेजा। बधाई देता हूँ आपके प्रोफेसर्स को जिन्होंने आपको इस योग्य बनाया। आप आज इस योग्य बने कि आप आज ये गोल्ड मेडल ले रहे हैं, अपनी उपाधि ले रहे हैं। उसके बाद हमारी जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ जाती है। कहा जाता है शिक्षार्थ आइए सेवार्थ जाइए। शिक्षा के लिए आइए और सेवा के लिए जाइए, शिक्षा का मूल उद्देश्य। मुझसे कभी लोग पूछते हैं जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, दूसरे प्रांत में जाता हूँ या अपने गृह प्रदेश जाता हूँ, तो लोग कहते हैं कि असम तो बहुत सारी प्रतिभाओं के लिए, विशिष्टताओं के लिए जाना जाता है, लेकिन आप क्या अनुभव करते हो? असम में जाकर आपको विशेष क्या लगता है? मैंने कहा वहाँ तो सब कुछ, जहाँ महापुरुष श्रीमंत शंकर देव जी का संदेश गूंजता हो, माँ कामाख्या का धाम हो और अनेक वहाँ के ब्रह्मपुत्र का पावन तट हो, वहाँ के प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य हो, पर्यावरण के प्रति लोगों की जागरूकता हो, और उससे भी अगर सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे कोई प्रभावित करता है तो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि मेरे राज्य में, मेरे असम के इस सुंदर से राज्य में बेटियों का सबसे ज़्यादा सशक्तिकरण होता है। आज बेटियां अगर सबसे ज़्यादा, मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो उपाधि लेते हुए दिखाई पड़ती है। जिस समाज में बेटियों का इतना सशक्तिकरण हुआ हो, उस समाज के विकास को दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं रोक सकती। आज यही कारण है पूर्वोत्तर के राज्य जहाँ बेटियों का सशक्तिकरण तेजी से हो रहा है। मैं जिस विश्वविद्यालय में जाता हूँ, अभी वाइस चांसलर महोदय से मैंने पूछा, उन्होंने कहा सर 60% से ऊपर हमारी बेटियों ने उपाधि प्राप्त किया है, उसके बाद बाकी सब प्राप्त करते हैं। इसके लिए भी मैं बहुत बहुत आप सबको बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। मैं कुछ लिखित बातें मेरे जो मैं लिख करके ले आया हूँ उसको मैं वाचन करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं भी, ये गर्मी है महसूस करता हूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद भी आप बैठे हैं तो आपके अनुशासन की परीक्षा नहीं, आप तो गोल्ड मेडल ले चुके हो। मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आपने जिस विश्वविद्यालय से आज उपाधि प्राप्त की वह असम का एक प्रतिष्ठित संस्थान है। इस संस्थान का एक गौरवशाली और सुदीर्घ इतिहास रहा है। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बजाली की असम में विशिष्ट पहचान है। यह शिक्षा के साथ साथ भाषा, साहित्य, कला और संस्कृति के संरक्षण, संवर्धन में भी महत्वपूर्ण योगदान देता है। इस विश्वविद्यालय का नाम असम के महान विचारक और असमिया गद्य साहित्य के जनक श्री वैकुंठनाथ भट्टाचार्य जी के सम्मान में रखा गया। उन्हें हम सभी भट्टदेव के नाम से जानते हैं। यह भट्टदेव जी ने संस्कृत और असमिया भाषा में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया। उनके साहित्यिक कार्यों ने असमिया साहित्य को समृद्ध करने का कार्य किया। इस विश्वविद्यालय के माध्यम से आप सभी को उनके विचारों और मूल्य को आगे बढ़ाने का एक स्वर्णिम अवसर प्राप्त हुआ है। मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप जब स्नातक बन चुके हैं, आप अब अपने जीवन के एक नए चरण में प्रवेश करने जा रहे हैं। आपके समक्ष नई नई चुनौतियों के अवसर होंगे। मुझे विश्वास है कि इस विश्वविद्यालय में अर्जित ज्ञान और कौशल के बल पर आप उन चुनौतियों का सामना करने और उभरते अवसरों का लाभ उठाने में सक्षम होंगे। हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत ने उच्च शिक्षा में सुलभता, समावेशिता और गुणवत्ता सुनिश्चित करने की दिशा में उल्लेखनीय प्रगति की है। लक्षित पहलों, डिजिटल नवाचार और समावेशिता पर विशेष बल देकर शिक्षा में असमानताओं को पाटने और भावी पीढ़ी को सशक्त बनाने के लिए अनेक प्रभावी कदम उठाए गए। आप सभी इस परिवर्तन के अभिन्न अंग हैं। आप राष्ट्र के भविष्य के निर्माता हैं। इसलिए अपने ज्ञान का उपयोग न केवल स्वयं के विकास के लिए बल्कि समाज और देश की उन्नति के लिए भी करें। हमारे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की दृष्टि भारत की वैश्विक ज्ञान के क्षेत्र में एक महाशक्ति के रूप में विकसित करने की है। उन्होंने कहा है कि लोगों में निवेश की दृष्टि 3 स्तंभों पर आधारित है: शिक्षा, कौशल और स्वास्थ्य। यह दृष्टि केवल सैद्धांतिक ज्ञान प्रदान करने की नहीं, बल्कि छात्रों को ऐसे कौशलों से सुसज्जित करने की है जिन्हें वे व्यवहारिक क्षेत्र में लागू कर सके। इस दृष्टिकोण के तहत सरकार ने पुरानी शिक्षा नीति में सुधार की नई शिक्षा नीति को लागू किया। हमारी नई शिक्षा नीति एक ऐसी सशक्त और शिक्षा व्यवस्था को प्रोत्साहित करती है जो भारतीय ज्ञान परंपरा के मजबूत आधार पर उच्च गुणवत्ता वाले शिक्षा प्रदान करने भारत को एक वैश्विक महाशक्ति बनाए। मुझे विश्वास है कि दीक्षांत समारोह में उपस्थित प्राप्त करने वाले छात्र भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय में अर्जित ज्ञान, कौशल और अनुभव का सर्वश्रेष्ठ उपयोग करके समाज की विभिन्न समस्याओं और चुनौतियों का समाधान करने का प्रयास करेंगे। मुझे जानकर प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय ने 8 नए स्नातकोत्तर पाठ्यक्रम और 2 नए स्नातक पाठ्यक्रम प्रारंभ किए हैं। साथ ही सभी मौजूद विभागों में पीएचडी कार्यक्रम भी प्रारंभ किए हैं। विश्वविद्यालय की रिपोर्ट के अनुसार 3 शोध परियोजनाएं 3 अलग अलग संकाय सदस्यों के अधीन चल रही है, जो विश्वविद्यालय में हो रहे शोध कार्यों की सक्रियता को दर्शाती है। भारतीय विश्वविद्यालय संघ में भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय का शामिल होना विश्वविद्यालय की एक नई उपलब्धि है। विश्वविद्यालय की एनएसएस इकाई की एक दल ने इसी वर्ष बेंगलुरु में आयोजित राष्ट्रीय एकता शिविर में भाग लेकर के विश्वविद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया है। इसके लिए मैं इस विश्वविद्यालय को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। मुझे जानकर प्रसन्नता हुई कि भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय का एक नया परिसर मेधिकुची में स्थापित होने जा रहा है, जो छात्रों, शोधकर्ताओं और शिक्षकों के लिए उन्नत सुविधाओं और विकसित बुनियादी ढांचे से सुसज्जित होगा। मुझे खुशी है कि पूर्वोत्तर क्षेत्र के उभरते हुए विश्वविद्यालय के रूप में भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय ने हाल ही में विभिन्न प्रतिष्ठानों के साथ कई समझौते MOUs पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं, जो संस्थान को और अधिक ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएंगे। इसके लिए विश्वविद्यालय के सम्मानित प्राध्यापक प्रबंधन को साधुवाद देता हूँ। एक आधुनिक उच्च शिक्षा संस्थान के रूप में मैं भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय को शिक्षण और शोध में वैश्विक मानकों को प्राप्त करना होगा। मुझे विश्वास है यह विश्वविद्यालय बहुआयामी अकादमिक पाठ्यक्रम में उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करेगा और शोध और नवाचारों के माध्यम से छात्रों को ज्ञान एवं चिंतन को विकसित करेगा। वर्तमान में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारी दुनिया को बदल रहा है। स्वास्थ्य सेवा से लेकर परिवहन तक, मनोरंजन से लेकर शिक्षा तक, शायद ऐसा कोई क्षेत्र नहीं है जो AI अछूता रहा। यह उद्योगों को बदल रहा है, मानवीय क्षमताओं को बढ़ा रहा है। अतः प्रत्येक विश्वविद्यालय को इन सब गतिविधियों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। ऐसे पाठ्यक्रम शुरू करने चाहिए जिनमें आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का अध्ययन, समझ और उपयोग शामिल हो। मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, 21वीं सदी डिजिटल क्रांति की सदी है। आपके पास बहुत सारे अवसर हैं। आपको अपना लक्ष्य निर्धारित करना है, अपने सपने को साकार करने। इसके साथ साथ आपको विकसित भारत के निर्माण में अपना योगदान देना है। भारत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बनने जा रहा है। इसके लिए ऐसे नेतृत्व की आवश्यकता होगी जो न केवल तकनीकी ज्ञान से परिपूर्ण हो, बल्कि ऐसे दृष्टिकोण और नैतिक मूल्यों से भी युक्त हो, और जो हमारे देश को एक उज्जवल भविष्य दे सके तथा विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति की ओर ले जा सके, जिसे हमने 2047 तक साकार करने का संकल्प लिया है। प्यारे बच्चों, निश्चित रूप से हमारे राज्य में बच्चों के लिए, शिक्षा के लिए बहुत संभावनाएं। मुझे खुशी है कि मेरी राज्य सरकार, श्री हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा जी की सरकार शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में रोज नए नए आयाम गढ़ रही है। अभी मैं अखबार में आज पढ़ रहा था, गुणोत्सव योजना के तहत जिन विद्यालयों ने प्रारंभिक शिक्षा से ही लेकर के अन्य अपना विशिष्ट स्थान प्राप्त किया, उनको प्रोत्साहित करके शिक्षा को भी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता देने का जो काम किया है, वह इस राज्य के लिए बहुत ही शुभ लक्षण है। मैं बहुत कुछ न कह करके इतना ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने जो शिक्षा प्राप्त किया है, उस शिक्षा के माध्यम से अपने जिस गांव से चले हैं, जिस जनपद से चले हैं, जिस राज्य से चले हैं, वहाँ से चल करके अपने शिक्षा के माध्यम से उन सबको क्या प्रतिष्ठा दिला सकते हैं, ये ज़रूर आत्मलोकन करना पड़ेगा। जिस विश्वविद्यालय ने आपको ये उपाधि दी है, गोल्ड मेडल प्रदान किया है, उससे बहुत सारी, मेरे तो खुशी है कि मेरे 2 दिन पहले ही बच्चों को मुझे सम्मानित करने का अवसर मिला। मेरी बेटियों ने, देश के प्रधानमंत्री का जो परेड था, अगर नेतृत्व करने का अवसर मिला तो मेरे असम की बेटियों को मिला। तो अनेक संभावनाओं से भरा यह राज्य है, हमारे अंदर बहुत संभावनाएं हैं। मुझे खुशी है कि तेजी से हमारा जो ये भट्टदेव विश्वविद्यालय है, आज उन लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए तेजी से अग्रसर है। मैं बहुत कुछ न कहकर एक बार फिर से आपको बधाई देता हूं। आपको अपने समाज को, अपने राज्य को आगे बढ़ाना है। आप अपने ज्ञान और दृढ़ संकल्प के बल पर व्यक्तिगत जीवन के साथ साथ देश के भविष्य को स्वरूप प्रदान करने के लिए आगे बढ़ें। मैं आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। आपके भविष्य के प्रयासों में सफलता, जीवन में सुख शांति और समृद्धि की कामना करते हुए अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूं। जय अयोखम, जय हिंद।
Honorable Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor will now sign the convocation register of the university. Now I request Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तब जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
All awardees are kindly requested to take their working lunch at the designated counter outside. After lunch, please return to your original seats inside the convocation hall by 3 p.m. sharp to receive your degree awards from the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dean and Associate Deans of the respective faculties. Thank you in advance for your cooperation.